Hey guys, I just want to show you my bass pedal that I have for sale on my website. My website is DeRoseGuitars.com. So here's the bass pedal. The bass bullet, I guess I call it. It's the name. The thing you actually get in the mail is this. That's what you buy. What I did was I built the stand out of wood, put some non-slip grip on the top, put some bracings right there so it's nice and strong, got a Remo pad, and then I stuck a piezo sensor inside of it so that when you hit it with the bass pedal, it registers it as a hit in Guitar Hero. And I also put these non-slip feet on the bottom here, so it's safe on wood floors or carpet and doesn't slip again. So you can use any bass pedal with this, or anyone works. I'm using a really crappy one, but yeah, anyone works. So it just plugs in regular in your regular bass port. So yeah, and it works too. So. See, it works just fine. It's great. It feels more realistic than that other bass pedal that comes, and the stock bass pedal. So yeah, check out my website, DeRoseGuitars.com.